Hi, welcome to What We Thought. I'm Kevin, and Elizabeth isn't going to be in this video because I'm going to do something with an outdoor appliance that I have. And what I'm going to do today is I did how to build this Viver dual tank deep fryer, and I've already done the first cook over at my channel, my cooking channel, Man Kitchen Recipes. So I always get asked, well, what do you do with the oil after you're done with it? So I'm going to show you how to save your oil so you can reuse it 4, 5, 6 times depending what you fry in there. If you're frying really floury stuff, then the oil gets cloudy and I don't know, I guess you can still use it, it just can't use it as often. But what you need to have is, I always keep the jug that the oil came in, and then I use like another separate little jug just to make it easier. You're going to need a funnel so that you can get it back in this bottle. And then the key thing to have is one of these wire mesh coffee filters. And what this will do is this will take the chunks out of the oil. It'll keep your oil clean, and the food that's in your oil won't stay in there and leave that taste in there. So if you clean your oil, you strain it through this or one of these, it'll come out clean, and you can use it, like I said, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, so let me just show you how I do that. Okay, so there's my used oil from, I did some tortilla chips, and I did some stuffed Spanish rice balls in it. So first thing you're going to do is take this and empty or pour most of it into there. Obviously, if your other tank isn't empty, you'll need another table to do this on. Okay, that's not quite all of it, but that's okay. The chunks are still left. Most of the chunks are still in here, so that'll go through pretty clean. Next step is you take your bottle that your oil came in, get a filter in there, a funnel in there, and then you get your filter in there. You have your filter in there, that's that wire mesh coffee filter, and then you just slowly pour your oil through there, and it'll clear out any impurities. Okay, so my canister has some stuff in the bottom of it, which, you'll just wash that out. The filter caught some impurities in there. It's kind of foaming right now. See there in the basket. This one wasn't really super dirty. Some of the impurities there are on the bottom of this, and that's how you do it. Okay, what you're left with is clean oil for the next time you want to fry something. Like I said, you can reuse your oil, several times. Just depends how dirty it gets. All right, how easy is that? Checking this out, I hope you learned something. It's very quick, it's very easy. Obviously you got to let your oil cool down, but now I've got another jug of oil to use the next time I go to deep fry in that Viver dual tank deep fryer right there. They're handy little things to have, and you don't have to just use oil. You could boil food in there, whatever you want to do. Anyway, thanks for checking this out. Join us on our journey here at What We Thought, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video.